Windows 10 KB5021233 22 has to released. Here what's new. Windows 10 KB5021233 is now available for version 22.2 and other supported version of the OS. Unlike the previous patch Tuesday updates, today release comes with a couple of noteworthy changes. Direct download links for Windows 10 KB5021233 offline installer are also available. If you wish to install the update manually, KB5021233 is a security update and it is being pushed as part of this year last patch Tuesday cycle. While Windows 10 is now on the back burner as Microsoft is busy with the development of Windows 11, today's update actually comes with several noticeable changes, include Cortana getting removed from the taskbar. If you are on Windows 11, there another cumulative update KB5021255 for your device, and most of the critical bug fixes are identical. That because Windows 11 and Windows 10 are still the same. So most of the fixes and bugs are shared. If you check for updates, you will see the below update. 2022-12 cumulative update for Windows 10 version 22.2 for x64 based system KB5021233 or 2022-12 cumulative updates for Windows 10 version 21.2 for x64 based system KB5021233. Changelog of Windows 10 December 12 update. Windows 10 taskbar is getting a new feature. Search box is now visible when you move the taskbar to the top. Earlier, the taskbar did not support the search box when you have it pinned on the top. This is finally changing with Windows 10 December 2022 patch Tuesday release. As a result, it is now possible to discover Bing information and feature directly on the taskbar even when it is pinned to the top. You can change how search appears on the taskbar by right-clicking anywhere on the taskbar and then selecting search. You can always switch back to search button or remove the button entirely. Interestingly, Microsoft streaming the taskbar experience on Windows 10 by unpinning Cortana. Microsoft has not had much luck in the digital assistant world, with its Cortana assistant struggling to compete it with the likes of Siri, Google Assistant and Alexa. In fact, Cortana is still not updated with WinUI 3.0 and Fluent Design on Windows 11. Microsoft has already discontinued the mobile apps and Cortana is also taking a step back on Windows 10. Cortana is no longer pinned to the taskbar according to the official release notes. The unpinning of Cortana on the taskbar doesn't come as much of a surprise, not least because it already happened on Windows 11. Here a list of critical bug fixes. Microsoft introducing a new way to authenticate Azure Active Directory join device in its latest attempt to improve Windows Defender Firewall. Fix persistent update failure for the Microsoft Store. Fixes an issue that affects certain printers. Fixed persistent update failure for the Microsoft Store. Fixed an issue that affects D3, D9 where D3, D9 stops working when you use remote desktop. Fixed an issue that affects certain printers. Fixed an issue that affects Microsoft Defender for endpoint.